What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So today we're going to take a look at ZZ Top's Arrested for Driving While Blind. And this was requested and supported by longtime supporter Tom, so huge thanks goes out to him for the support. In this lesson we're going to take a look at the rhythm guitar parts only that are being played during the verses. The typical 12-bar blues with the twist put by Billy Gibbons. And the lesson on the two solos is going to be on a separate video, and it's going to be available at GuitarForce.com. When I'm done with it, the link is going to be in the description box down below. If you're interested, check it out. The tabs, the entire tabs, including the solo, are going to be available at GuitarForce.com as well. The link is also going to be in the description box down below. Tuning for this song is going to be standard, and for the sound I was using the VST plugin Guitar Rig. I'm going to show you the picture of the preset right now. While you're checking it out, I'm going to play you my low E string so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright, without further ado, let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so we're going to start off this lesson with the intro part. Goes like this. Okay, so here starts off with G blues scale, and then in the end we add the C chord. Then we go, so it's a typical 12-bar blues in the key of G. We play with the shuffle rhythm, and now keep in mind that there are 2-3 guitars going on at some point. So one guitar or two guitars are playing the rhythm guitars, and then there is an ad-lib guitar which is also playing solo, and the third guitar which is playing just chords during the verses, just adding chords, just adding a little bit of flavor to the whole song. But we're going to be concentrating on the rhythm guitar and also the ad-lib guitar. So I've combined the two guitars in the beginning, in the intro, when we play the riff on the G chord. But this is played on the second guitar, so I have combined the two guitars. So these ad-lib a little lick, just that bend, and then playing that note here, and then we come back to the playing the G chord again, like that. Slightly palm muted. You can play either power chord or just a single note if you want to, but power chord just adds a little bit more of thickness to the sound, so you might do that. So that is the intro. One more time. Okay, so that's the intro. Now we go into the verse, and the rhythm guitar is practically the same throughout all of the verses, the 3 verses that they play. Slight changes there, but in the first one that we're going to break it down, it's a little bit more sort of complicated than the other verses. So we're just going to break down this one, and I'm going to explain what I'm playing. I'm going to play through first of all, and then we're going to break it down. So the whole verse goes like this. Okay, so starts off with a G power chord, again played with a shuffle rhythm. Then we play this first fret here on the A string, or you can play it on here, 6th fret on the low E, I'm sorry. Like that, or Then we have here, 2nd fret on the low E, adding some vibrato, and then sliding back into the chord. Then we play again the G power chord, then we have the transition part. So 3, 2, 1 on the low E. Adding here 1st fret on the D string. Then slide from the back from the low E into the C. Now we're changing the blues progression, going into the C chord. Staying on this chord for 2 bars, just playing shuffle rhythm. 2 bars, then we go back to the G again. Again, adding here the 1st fret on the A string. Then we go into the turnaround. So here, just a quick chromatic passing notes. 3, 4, 5 on the A. And here we add the high E string on the same fret, on the 5th fret. So, and we play this rhythmical figure. So it's there is a triplet in there, like that. Then we have, so we continue sliding into the 7th fret here, and just playing this kind of inversion of the D chord, like that. Then back to C. Staying on the G chord, and then we have the ending. So, and then we have another couple of passing notes, the open low E string, and then sliding into the G again, like that. So that's pretty much it for the rhythm guitar for the 12 bars of the verse. I'm gonna play it one more time. The whole thing, all of the parts together, goes like this. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to continue learning the solos, check out the link in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also hit that bell button next to the subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest videos when they come out. Thank you very much for watching. Take it easy. Till next time, I'll see you again. And as always, let the force be with you.